Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp wonton soup. First, finely chop 1 pound of fresh shrimp and combine it with a tablespoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of sesame oil, and a pinch of white pepper. For a delightful crunch, add 1/4 cup of finely diced water chestnuts and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to help bind everything together. Mix well until thoroughly combined. Now, let's wrap those delicious wontons. Take a wonton wrapper and place about 1 teaspoon of the shrimp filling in the center. Moisten the edges of the wrapper with a little water. Fold the wrapper into a triangle, pressing firmly to seal, or gather the edges to form a purse shape. Ensure they are sealed tightly to prevent the filling from escaping during cooking. While your wontons are ready, let's prepare the aromatic soup base. In a pot, bring 6 cups of quality chicken or vegetable broth to a gentle simmer. Enhance the flavor by adding 2 thin slices of fresh ginger and the white parts of 2 green onions. Season with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and a half teaspoon of sesame oil for that authentic taste. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Gently drop the wrapped wontons into the simmering broth. Cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until they float to the surface and appear plump and tender. Ladle the hot soup and wontons into bowls. Garnish with fresh cilantro and the green parts of sliced green onions for a vibrant finish. Enjoy your homemade shrimp wonton soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.